Hello friends, our next topic is chromatin remodeling. Before this discussion, we have to see what is chromatin. Chromatin is a composition of DNA and proteins. Here the DNA is normal double-stranded DNA and proteins are histone proteins. These histone proteins are mainly involved in chromatin remodeling. Here there are normally in human genetic material there are 4 types of histone proteins are present, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Each type of histone proteins are present in a pair in a nucleosome, and that is H2. All these 4 types are present in nucleosome as 2, that is there are 2 H2A and 2 H2B and 2 H3 and 2 H4 molecules of proteins are present. Here histone is a nucleosome is a octamer. It is an octamer of proteins which are histone proteins. In this octamer mainly these 4 types are present. That 4 types is each with two molecules are present. Here H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 4 types are present. On the other side one more H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 proteins are present. Like this there are 8 molecules of histone proteins which are 4 types are present. This octamer is again bonded to what? DNA. This DNA is a double-stranded DNA. This is an octamer. Here this structure is DNA which is a double-stranded. This surrounds this octamer nucleosome. This is a structure of chromatin. In this backside of this octamer there is one more type of histone protein is bound, that is H1. H1 is a 5th type of protein which is bound to the backside of the nucleosome, which links the nucleosome to the DNA. Here this nucleosome octamer is a 30 nanometer fiber, is normally we can see in genome. This is the structure of nucleosome. In this way there are many nucleosomes are present in DNA and many histone proteins are present. This is a main chromatin which is bonded to which is composed of DNA and histone proteins. This is DNA which is double-stranded, that is wrapped around the histone octamer actually, but in this pic I have shown for our convenience like this. Here these histone proteins are attached to the DNA. Here DNA is closely packed, highly condensed DNA and histone proteins are present. Here this is highly condensed. So this highly condensed chromatin is called what? Heterochromatin. This heterochromatin is inactive. That is this when the histone proteins and DNA is bound, the transcription is not takes place because here two strands are in a helical form. How can we synthesize another new strands? So here we have to separate the 2 strands. Then only transcription will takes place by single template DNA strand to new mRNA transcript. So here highly condensed close packing of the chromatin DNA structures are called heterochromatin. Here there are one more chance is also present, that is loosely packed, that is they have separated. Means here this DNA is histone proteins are removed from the bound DNA and are both the strands are separated for the transcription from the template. So this way they are separated from the DNA. So this separation of histone proteins that results in the less condensed chromatin. That less condensed chromatin is called euchromatin. Here this euchromatin is less. This euchromatin is loosely packed and it is active form. That is, it is involved in transcription because here DNA is free from the bound histone proteins. So transcription will takes place. So it is easy to done with transcription.